it seems for private gain, what in common parlance we call the state capture. I would like to know from the Prime Cabinet Secretary how the administration, current administration, is planning to unwind transactions that have created very serious negative impacts in the economy, whether at the level of exchange rate, the levels of interest rates, or the level of inflation. Whether they are going to do a serious economic inquiry to try and unwind the negative effects of state capture in our economy as a long-term structural adjustment program. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.
Majority Leader.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, as the Prime Cabinet Secretary, I would say we have experienced the worst drought in almost 40 years and the lowest harvest of maize in the last 10 years. Honorable Speaker, as much as we appreciate what the Prime Cabinet Secretary has said in his statement, that there are what he has called non-traditional ASAL counties, including Kiambu County, that has benefited from relief food, at least during this drought season. Honorable Speaker, I would want to hear from the Prime Cabinet Secretary what government is doing, because other than the non-traditional ASAL counties, there are also urban areas like Nairobi and other major urban centers where slum dwellers, also because of the effects of drought and the high cost of living, are not able to access food. What measures government is taking to at least ensure that these relief efforts also reach the people in slum areas. Honorable Speaker, maybe in an unrelated matter, if the Prime Cabinet Secretary could also appraise the nation on what government is doing to check the proliferation of gangs. And I know this may be more to interior, but this afternoon we have witnessed the former president lead a gang of goons to take over an office. And you know, Honorable Speaker, in the region where I come from, Mungiki has been a huge menace to the people of the Central Kenya. And when we see Mungiki thriving and rising again, we get concerned, Prime Cabinet Secretary, more so when we see elements associated with Mungiki being led by a former president. It becomes a matter of national concern, and I would beg your indulgence that the Prime Cabinet Secretary also takes this